So rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she
Alright you all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and like and subscribe and like. It doesn't matter what you do as long as you tap that notification button. I just want to say I'm so excited to finally get those mini braids out of my hair, okay? If you guys have not watched my last video, go check it up. It should be linked here or here. That was almost an all-nighter. I'm so grateful for John to come over and like help me with that. I finally got it out. As you guys can see, I'm so ready to scrub my scalp because my scalp is itchy and I'm just ready to like take this out. So I'm actually going to show you guys what it looks like. I literally just put it up in a silk tie last night. So this is what my hair is looking like. Of course, it's slowly reverting back at this point because I used a spray conditioner to kind of like help detangle the ends and like get my braids out. So of course, you know, once you add moisture, you add water, you know, the hair does its thing, but it's still in a stretch state and I love it. It's giving volume. It's giving, who's that girl? Who's that girl out there? I just want to say, if you guys again watch my last video, you guys know that I received this wonderful package last night. And I'm so excited to try it. It's Aussie. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it's the Miracle Curls Kit. So I'm so excited. So look at this. I kind of already pre-looked at it. So yes, I can just open it like this. So let's look at this. Oh my goodness. It's the whole set. And then there's a bottom piece as well to it. But I'm going to just take it one by one and kind of show you all. I don't want to like just take it all out, but we are going to take it all out. The first part of this kit is the Aussie Miracle Curls shampoo. So of course with the shampoo you get the matching conditioner, which I'm so excited. I've used Aussie in the past. It's been a while since I've used Aussie, but like the last time I used it, it was just like the regular Aussie and I was like, it's okay. But I hear people raving about the Miracle Curl, so we gonna see. Then it comes with 3-minute Miracle Curl deep conditioner, which I'm loving this packaging. I like everything big, okay? Because I have a lot of hair and I don't want to be spending like $30-$20 on something and you give me this like little itty bitty shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner. So I'm so glad that it comes actually in a pump bottle, okay? I might, like when I'm through with this, I might keep the pump bottle and just reuse it and just dump my deep conditioners in here because like the whole scoop thing for deep conditioning, like it's okay, but like if I have like acrylic nails on, it's a lot to go through and nobody likes that. I also read like you put this in for 3 minutes, but you can leave it in for a little bit longer. I think the longest that you can leave it in is for like 30 minutes, I think. I don't know. I saw someone say about that. I don't see it on here. So we know about when something says 3 minutes, we keep it in for 3 minutes. So maybe it was another product I was reading, but this is for 3 minutes. So take that back. I want to make a disclaimer. I'm still getting over being sick. So please excuse like the whole nasal congestion thing that I've got going on. It's getting better, but I'm still going through, okay? Next part that we got to this is the leave-in conditioner. So it's a detangling milk. So that is really cute. It makes me think of Moroccan oil leave-in conditioner. Theirs looks like this, so this is really cute. I smelled the shampoo and the conditioner. Oh, they all smell amazing. And then they have the Miracle Curl Defining Oil, which is cute. This cute little pump. Like all these bottles are cute. They're little cute little pump bottles. I am excited. I'm all about presentation and they're giving me the full presentation, baby girl, baby boy. And then finally, last but not least, they have the Miracle Curls Curl Refresher Spray. So this is also another cute bottle. I don't use too many curl refreshers because once any kind of liquid hits my hair, it's done. Except for the days when I do like a curly poof. Then I'll use a curl refresher because it's okay those days. But there's also this. I'm not for sure if I'm going to use this today. But we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and do the shampoo and conditioner, and just like that, that piece is done. Like, all the products are amazing. I need to set a 6-minute timer because I read the directions. You can leave the deepening conditioner for an extra 3 minutes. So I'm gonna do 6 minutes. So, hey Alexa, set a timer for 6 minutes.
6 minutes, starting now. By the way, if you want to change your timer, try asking me.
The shampoo, let's start with that. The shampoo was amazing. Normally I go like once or twice in with shampoo because sometimes I don't feel like it gives me that squeaky clean feel. On like instant contact with my hair and my roots and my scalp, like I instantly felt like my hair kind of being stripped, which was what I kind of needed because it just had a lot of buildup. But it also had the instant bubbles as well, because I love me some bubbles with my shampoo. I don't care what nobody says. Little goes a long way with that shampoo. My hair also started to revert back instantly, which I love, because again, I blew out my hair and did braid out. So my hair like just received it really well. And I love that. It was simple, easy, and quick to go through with the shampoo process. I only had to do it once, and the little went a long way with that. So from the shampoo, I went instantly in with the 3-minute Miracle deep conditioner. Y'all, I love it. I mean, the instant softness, the curls, the juiciness, it was just really nice, and I loved it. Again, that's a little goes a long way. The pump helps a lot with it. I love the pump. So thus far, I'm really happy with Aussie's Miracle Curl. I just hope it goes up from here. I hope my hair loves the rest of the line. We finished rinsing that out, which was really great. So now I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to go in with the curl defining oil. I'm not going to use the refreshing spray. I really only use something like this when I am refreshing a curl, maybe mostly, like I said earlier, when I have my hair in a bun, like a curly bun. So that's not going to get used. So we're going to go in with the leave-in detangling milk in the oil. So I'm going to start in small sections and go in and detangle. Let's go in. Okay, this is really lightweight. Very, very lightweight. And it smells amazing. You see, Aussie, what you all done here. You see what you all done here. Go in with my... Okay. I'm loving it. The only thing about this is me knowing my hair. Why am I talking like this? Me knowing my hair, like, this is really nice. It's nice and defined. But I always know a gel is going to need it for like a wash and go. Like, if that's what I'm going to go with, I'm going to need some kind of gel. Which I'm guessing that's kind of what the curl refresher spray is, but I already know that the curl refresher spray is not going to work with my hair, so not for what I'm trying to do. I just know my hair too well. So I'm going to go in next with the oil. That smells like tangerine. That smells so good. I love fruity smelling products, particularly tangerine. As you guys can see, it's already frizzing up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some Extreme Mind Gel. Just a little bit to add like a little extra hold to my hair. A little water at it. Making sure everybody gets a little attention. And I'm going to let them clump together the way that they want to. Frizzy my hair is, so this time where I'm going to see if I do bigger clumping, how different that might be for me, if it is a difference. Will it just turn out to be a frizz ball? I didn't know. That's what trial and error is for. I'm on my problem side, y'all. So this side is the side that always gives me a little bit of trouble.
Yeah, look, I ain't about to tell you twice. We on different levels and you better get the balance right. We not eye to eye, we are not alike. You couldn't even be me in another life. Don't hit me on my phone, yeah, I'll get back when I'm posted. They wanna blackmail cause they see I'm going posted. I've been at the top since I came over. I've been in control, yeah, it's game over. Born great, no, I ain't asked for it. Chasing the throne, I'm coming back for it.
Alright, you all, so this is the finished look for the, well, I don't want to say it's the finished look, but it's the finished process of me going through my hair and doing a wash and go, and this is really cute. I put the clips down so that my part can kind of lay down and dry kind of flat. I laid some more gel over that, but it's pretty good. As I told you all, this side would eventually shrink up and do its thing, which I feel like it has. This side has always been my defined side, and I'm okay with that. Like, I've learned to accept it at this point. I really wanted to do my wash and go differently. I wanted it to kind of like be like bigger. I normally do small defined shingling, but this time I wanted to see, like, just push through it and see what it was like if I did like big to medium parts of shingling, and let it dry that way. I feel like I would get bigger, poofier hair maybe. So I'm gonna let my hair do some air drying. I'm gonna get my diffuser and do some diffusing on it as well. I'm gonna do some more shaking, because shaking helps as well, I heard. And yeah, let it do its thug dizzle and be its natural self. All right, you all, so I'm at about like 60% dry. So I just wanted to come and show you all like my curls. Like, it looks really good. I knew this side would do its thing. It's just like the start off side of this is like really questionable, but it looks good. I mean, I think altogether it looks good. I think it's gonna need some fluffing out eventually. Like, I can definitely see like all in here is like still wet. So what I did is I turned on both of my fans. Like, I had to, like, I started recording this and I was like, oh shoot, they're not gonna be able to hear me on my fans. My hair is not crunchy, so like it's like a soft hard, if that makes sense. Like, it's not crunchy, but I can definitely feel my curls. I'm trying not to touch it too much because I'm just in love with it. I am 90% dry. I want to say 90% dry because my hair is mostly dry. It's just on this side, my roots are still wet. I took a nap. I took a good 3-hour nap, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. And like, I was posted up like this, with both of my fans like on high. So I turned it up when I went to sleep. I was posted up, letting the air just like dry my hair. I probably will go in finally with the blow dryer, just to get this side. And maybe because, you know, the side that I was sleeping on didn't allow for this side to get dry. Shrinkage is real, y'all. Shrinkage is real, and I'm not even trying to pull my hair too much, because I just don't want to do too much. But shrinkage is real. Like, my hair, as I showed you all, is like down here, but my hair is like, thank you for that moisture, sister girl. Okay, Aussie, I see what y'all did here. I see what y'all did here, and I'm here for it, and I love it. Thank you, Aussie. Like, my hair feels so good. It feels so good. So this is the final day. So this is my morning wake up kind of look. So the only thing is, like, my hair turned out really well. Like, my hair is beautiful. The curls are beautiful. The only thing about this is that I'm still trying to train this to lay down. So I might have to go back and redo this side. So I took some bobby pins. Like, you can see one bobby pin right here. I'm still trying to lay this side down. I think because I went to sleep, this side, like, with the clip, like, this was laid down, but this part kind of was like up. I still have not gone in to stretch my hair with any heat. I don't know if I want to. I'm kind of feeling this just a little bit, but I know if I go in with the blow dry and heat and stretch out my roots, my hair will come down more. But right now, I feel like this is kind of like protecting itself, because we all know that when our hair is down and it's rubbing against our clothing, it could cause potential breakage. So because of the fact that my hair is like shrunken up, it's not really touching my shoulders right now. So if I elongate it, right, so I'll use this piece right here for example. I take this and elongate it with heat, my hair will probably like hang down like this, causing, you know, rubbing on my shirt, or to either elongate to this point right here as it's slowly reverting back in front of our eyes. It'll be hanging down on my shoulder, and I'm not for sure, I'm gonna scrunch it back up, if I want that to be the case. My hair is in a really good, healthy state, and I kind of want to leave it like that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any commentary, any suggestions on what I should do next, please comment below. I am always open to suggestions. I'm always open to feedback and responding to you guys' comments the times that I have received comments. So until next time, like and subscribe and like, it doesn't matter what you do as long as you tap that notification button.
They ain't seen where you been though. See the numbers, I'ma run it up again. I can take it over when I want to, cause I can.